Okay, inventory monitoring by batch. Pag dumarating ang item natin, minsan gusto natin siya i-monitor by batch. Go to Edit, Preferences. I-check muna natin kung yung features ay available. Item Inventory. Advanced Inventory Setting. Okay. So, dito tayo. No? Activate serial number or lot. Ang batch is pwedeng by lot number. So, lot number ang pipiliin natin. Huwag muna yung expiry date. Lot number. Okay. Save. Close. So, halimbawa, nag-deliver na ang supplier ng unang batch. Batch 1, no? So, item 1, required yung required yung, mamaya sasabay-sabayin ko na lang kasi. Okay, halimbawa, tiga 100 pieces. Ilagay na muna natin yung lot. Batch 1, B1. B1. Okay. So 100. So this is batch 1, ano? So save natin. And then nag-deliver ulit batch 2. Batch 2. 200 pieces. Item 2. 200 pieces. Batch number 2. Item 3. 200 pieces. Batch 2. Okay. Lot number in stock. Ito pwede. So, pag double click mo, makikita mo kung ilang piraso bawat batch. So, total of 300. Ganun din dito. Kung ibebenta mo naman, create invoice. Customer. Item 1. You have the option to choose kung saan ka kukuha ang lot. Kung pwede sa lot 1, kumuha ka doon ng 25. And another, gawin natin itong item 1 sa batch 2 naman to. So parehong item 1 sa batch 2 naman. Okay, save natin. And then, if we check batch 1 quick report, mapapansin mo, lagyan natin ng batch ng lot number. So, ayan. So, natin niya kung ilan nabawas. Tapos sa inventory naman, track list by lot number. Ito. If you double check item 1, so ayan, nabawas yung item. Ganun po ang monitoring ng by batch or by lot number. Thank you very much.